Overland Bound Off the Grid Rally 2019, held at Nymboida River Campground in New South Wales. The beauty of the terrain here is truly something to behold. That night, we shared a campfire, some laughs, and many beers, before leaving the next morning to return home. Hey guys, so that's the 2019 Overland Bound Off the Grid Rally, done and dusted. Looking forward to next year's, and of course looking forward to some trips with my fellow members from now and then. Look, it was a great rally. We had a lot of people turn out, and we travelled far and wide to get there. We had people from all across the eastern coast of Australia travelled to this one campsite in New South Wales, and it was a fantastic weekend. Big thanks to everyone who did attend, making it such a nice event. It was great to meet new members as well, and some hopefuls. So yeah, the Overland Bound community is getting stronger and stronger with every year. When I originally joined with the Queensland Regional Ambassador Lewis, I think they were in the thousands of members, like 1,000. Now there are 17,000 members. That is a huge accomplishment, and it really shows you how quickly these things can grow. It's only been a couple of years. Imagine where we'll be in another couple. Look, if you're interested in touring, four-wheel driving, just getting out in the outdoors with your friends, or even making new friends in the outdoor community, jump onto overlandbound.com and check it out. There are regions across the world, and there's fellow members absolutely everywhere. It is a wealth of knowledge, and you can form a great amount of friendships through those forums as well. Thanks guys, and look forward to my next video. Thanks.